Guys, would you be able to solve me? Can you solve me?
Oh, okay. Here comes the boy. I can block it.
Okay.
There we go. There we go.
Laura, get out of the way, Laura!
I just want to Let's go!
Hi.
I'm gonna push.
Okay.
Oh, you have to keep it.
Go.
Oh, you need his help. Wait a minute.
Timmy, Mococo,
Guys.
Timmy. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, Mococo, move over.
Okay. Need to rotate too.
Did you think I was serious about that just now? There we go!
Here.
Yeah!
Guys, can you give me your best horse impression?
Yeah, you first.
Nice. Okay, Laura, how about you? Eldritch Chora horse.
What was this?
What do you mean? It was perfect.
This sounds like a witch! This sounds like Cecilia the horse!
Maybe I can do. I can do this.